How to make it. First, you will need onion, chili flakes, salt, curry leaves, 2 boiled eggs, baking powder, and sugar. Next, gather 300 grams of wheat flour, coconut oil, and warm water. Add salt, sugar, add coconut oil to the wheat flour, then gradually add warm water while mixing the mixture well. Now cover the dough and let it rest for 10 minutes. Let's move on to making the samosa filling. Take the boiled eggs and chop them using a fork like this. Heat some coconut oil in a pan. Add chopped onion, curry leaves, and salt to taste. Once the onion is heated, add chili flakes. Stir the mixture well and then add the chopped eggs. The filling is now ready. After 10 minutes, take the dough and break it into a small part like this. Using a rolling pin, roll each part into a thin tortilla. Heat a tortilla like this. Cut the tortilla roti prepared earlier into 2 parts. Now shape the samosa using these tortilla halves. To seal samosa sheets, use wheat flour paste like this. Put some of the filling on one side of the samosa sheets and fold it to seal the edges. Prepare all the samosa in this way and heat them for a while in the pan. These tortilla samosa are a unique twist on the traditional samosa. You should give them a try and enjoy the taste.